Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, but so I'm back with another video for you guys right now. I was going to do this recording using my Lumix G7, which it is being recorded through this, but I'm actually doing it through my actual computer. So you may see the background a little bit fuzzy with the noise because when I do it through this software like this, the noise on the camera is like really noisy, even though I have it on the best settings. So it's just I'm trying to do this unboxing really quick because I'm getting ready to do a live stream in a few. So that's the reason why I'm literally doing it this way, because I can just get it and upload it to YouTube really quick. All right, fast unboxing, really quick. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So basically, I'm unboxing it this way. Knife almost caught me in my face. Yeah. Okay. That over there. So I picked up two things. Okay. First thing is a cable. Let's get this open really quick. Now I already have these. I'm currently using one right now, but I got a custom coil cord, which is this one right here. So this one is pink and blue. I'm waiting for my Thermaltake Tower 600 to be released. They said it's supposed to drop tomorrow for Valentine's Day. It's the pink and blue case, so I'm looking for this. I needed this cable because the cable I'm using right here just seems like it just keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. So I just got me a custom one right here, which is like the one I'm using right now. But the problem is, it's just for some reason it just keeps disconnecting, reconnecting. So I got one that's pink and blue, like this one right here, just like the one I have on my table. So that's the first one. Next one is this one, which I really want this. I have more coming in the mail. It's just they got separated for shipping. So that one should be, I think, might be delivered tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, Saturday. Let's get this one open. It's sticky as fuck. Definitely gonna wash my hands. All right, so this one is for my DJI Pocket 3. The reason why I got this one is because I needed something when I'm charging my Pocket 3. If y'all see, I have this one right here now. This is not the one I came with it. My other one is sitting over there, but it's just like the other one. Instead of having two slots in there for the lens, it just has one for the lens. So you just pop it open like that, and you have that. You put your lens right there. So that's my filter right there. It's going to be kind of blurry like that. I mean, I love using my Pocket 3 because this camera doesn't have good autofocus. If I try to put things in front of it, it's not going to autofocus that good. So yeah. So the reason why I got this one, which is way better, and it's just a little protector for the lens and stuff like that. And you just basically pop it open like that. The reason why I got this is because when I'm charging my Pocket 3, I hate the fact that I got to keep doing this, then doing this, then do that, and I can't see what's happening on the screen when I'm actually charging it. I'm sorry if I moved away from the microphone. I hate the fact that I can't see what's happening on the screen when I'm charging it. So a lot of times I don't even know if it's fully charged. And I normally have the battery bank on it, the extra handle part, which is this right here. So normally I have this on here. So basically what happens is when I'm charging it up, and I can't see what's going on with that part. So I brought this one, which is more secure. And basically the only thing you do is you take this, as so, put it like that, and you lock it. And because you have the little tab right there, this tab stops it from really doing that like that. Okay. So you just pop that down, and while it's inside the bag, it's supposed to stop it like that. Only way for this lens to actually turn around is by force. As you see, I had to literally put force on it to pop it. So when it popped around, it does that. Okay. Like that. So that's the reason why I brought this. So when it's like this and like that, Let's throw this on it. That's so. Wrong way. That. And there we go. It's locked in place. So now when I got this on and it's charging, I can see what's happening with the battery, and I don't got to worry about the thing actually turning around, because if I turn it on with this on, it's not going to turn it. It's going to go into a gimbal lock, and it's just going to lock it in there so it can't move itself. So that's the good thing. Like I will do a demonstration real quick. You can see it's not rotating. It's locked in place, and the gimbal lock just came on. So you want to keep it with the gimbal lock on, turn it back off. There we go. That's the whole reason why I got this. So if it's inside the bag, it won't just turn itself like that. You literally physically have to hit that on, do that like that. I just did that by accident. And I just do this. And you can see it just like that. Everything works good. Flip it back down. And there we go. Take this. Keep putting it on the wrong way. And now I can charge this up. I don't have to worry about my gimbal keep turning around like that. So when I'm ready to actually throw this in my bag, whatever, I just throw this one back on. And that's the whole reason why I got this one for this one. People kept saying they want to find one. They kept finding silicone ones. This one is actually better. This is a full plastic. It protects it like this, so it keeps everything like that. So you can actually keep your finger on this, as so, and don't have to worry about anything happening. I did purchase a lens cover for it, so it covers the lens directly. So when it rotates back over, it automatically protects the lens when it goes to sleep. And that's another accessory that's going to be picked up. That's coming in the mail. So I'm gonna catch you guys later. Now I can actually charge my thing on the go. This is gonna go inside my bag, my travel bag, and there we go. Glad I got this. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.